All right, so for this video, I wanted to go ahead and go over questions 2 and 4 on the pre-calculus review packet that I had given you all. So let's jump quickly into question number 2. For number 2, we're going to use the more efficient method to simplify this algebraic expression. In question number 2, notice that we have the numerator divided by the denominator. And the key idea that I want to emphasize when you're using this efficient method of simplifying this expression is you want to make sure that every term in this expression share the same common denominator. So once again, every term in here has to share the same common denominator. So if we focus on the numerator, what we want to look for is really if there is already a denominator present. And notice in the numerator, we have this x plus 2 present as a denominator here. And then if you look at the bottom, the denominator, that also has an x plus 2 as a denominator for this term. So the idea here is we want to multiply this whole algebraic expression by this common denominator. So it would look something like this, x plus 2 over x plus 2. So let me write that in. So we're going to multiply this whole algebraic expression by x plus 2 over x plus 2. Okay, so if we do that, we want to use the same ideas that we have discussed before. You're going to want to multiply across for each one. So let's go ahead and do that. Please do not forget the parentheses in this situation and this situation. So what it should look like is this, 2 minus 4 over x plus 2. Close the parentheses, and then another parentheses here. And remember, this is all one term, so you have to make sure that you write those parentheses here. And then same thing in the denominator, times x plus 2. All right, and now we can use the distributive property to help us distribute the x plus 2. So let's go ahead and do that. If you do that, you'll be left with this in the numerator. So 2 times x plus 2 minus 4 times x plus 2. Because remember, it's 4 times this all over x plus 2. And this whole thing is all over our bottom here. So let's go ahead and distribute that bottom as well. So your denominator should look like this, 5 times x plus 2 plus 10 times x plus 2 all over x plus 2. And then now you want to ask yourself, is there any way we can simplify this? Notice here, after we distributed this x plus 2 into each term, this x plus 2 will go ahead and cancel out, as well as this other one as well. So those will cancel out. So now this expression is equivalent to 2 times x plus 2 minus 4 all over 5 x plus 2 plus 10. And then at this point, you're going to want to simplify even further. So if you want to simplify even further, you're going to want to use the distributive property and distribute those numbers in. So you should get equals 2x plus 4 minus 4 all over 5x plus 10 plus 10. If you simplify this even further, you get 2x in the numerator all over 5x plus 20. And if you really wanted to, we can go a step further than this. If you want to make this look a little bit more neater, we could factor out a 5 in the denominator. So that'll look something like this. So we get 2x over, factor out the 5, put a parentheses, and you're left with x plus 4. So that should be your final answer for question number 2. Okay.